Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Jeremy from Haasl Tools, and I'm your YouTube Snap-on guy. I've been trying to shoot this video. This is the third day in a row that I've tried to shoot this video. I'll show you some clips. Hey guys, welcome back. I got some giveaways for you guys. Today we got some new tools. We got some giveaways. I didn't want to like stop, you know, because the shirts are always different, stuff like that. So we're just going to start from scratch today and get this done. So here's what we got going on today. I'm giving away some tools. I'm gonna tell you guys all about that. We got the reward for $500 here. I got some giveaways for you guys, update on the business, as well as some brand new tools. So let's go ahead and get this video started. If you guys are new to the channel, there's been a lot of new subscribers lately. My name's Jeremy. I run this. I'm the franchisee for Snap-on Tools in central Wisconsin area. And I do videos on new tools. I'll do flyers, show you guys what we got going on, some of the behind the scene things, stuff like that. So if you're into that sort of thing, go ahead and push the subscribe button and let's just keep growing the community. How do I get $500, right? That's what you want to know. Actually, what I'm doing, this is for my customers, and what I'm doing is I'm having them fill out their top 10 wanted things that they want to see on promo. Fill it out here. They put their name and stuff down there. And then I'll go ahead and figure out the part numbers, put it in the system. That way, when I get the stuff in on promo, like we just had them the MG325s came in on promo, I can type that in the computer and see who all's looking for that and get them the deals that they're looking for. So it works out real good for me and for my customers. And for them doing that, I'm going to pick one of them and give them $500 in tools off of their list. For you guys, here's what I got for that. So about a month ago or so, I had a video and I said, put down in the bottom, I'm subscribed, and I'll get you entered in to win one of 3 2-packs of these can koozies. These are the last 6 of these like this that I have left. One person responded out of the drawing that we had. I have his here, which I should have mailed out a long time ago, but I was kind of waiting for everybody to respond. So I still have 2 packs left. These 2 are getting mailed out in the morning to the winner. These 2 packs are going to go to one of you guys out there, or 2 of you guys or girls out there, except for the one person that left me a comment that said, oh, yippee, can koozies, what I get to advertise for you for free. Actually, there's nothing on here that advertises for me. And if you're that popular that somebody would see one of these and drive all the way to central Wisconsin to buy tools from me, you know what I'm saying. So this time's comment is, we're going to go totally different this time. And as long as you're subscribed, if you're not, you can hit that subscribe button. But as long as you're subscribed, put in the comments down below, just tell me what your favorite movie is. We're going non-tool, totally non-tool here. Let me know what your favorite movie is. And that'll put you in to win one of these 2 packs of slap koozies. Just like that. I'm going to run this through the month of September. And then right away in the first week of October, I'll do another drawing, and you guys just email me. I always have my email in the comment section or in the description section down below. So go ahead and email me if you're one of the chosen winners. I want to give a couple shout outs today. I watched Jay Young. I don't know if you guys watch him or not, but go ahead and check out his channel. He was repping my shirt with my name on the back, so that was really awesome. Also, congratulations to Kelly. Kelly's been kind of commenting on my videos for probably the last almost year or so, and signed up and is buying a franchise. So awesome, Kelly. Let's stay in touch and keep things rolling for you. So that's super awesome. Now let's get into some new tools. First one I want to go over is the new Stubby Ratchet Wrenches that we got in, and these are part number OXKRM707. I will put list prices down in the description area down below. Somebody had asked me if I'd start doing that. So this is the new one, OXKRM707 is this one. The old one was the OXI sets. And let's go ahead and take a look and see what the difference is. They're both the same set, 8 millimeters up to 14 millimeters, but huge difference. Let me show you. So I got the 10 millimeters out of both sets here, and there's these new ones are really smaller, dramatically smaller on the sides in here. Also this way as well, if you look at the difference there. I took the mic out, and it was quite the difference between them that way. They're still the same length, so overall size that way is the same, but they really took down the thickness here and as well here. So then what I did is I thought, well, are they following that from the new regular ratchet wrenches? Now these are a 0 offset, non-reversible. This one has an offset with the reverse lever, but they are the same dimensions that way. So if you have these, you'll like the thinness of it here and here. You're gonna love these. When it gets into that really, really tight spots, sometimes that little bit makes a difference. So that's these. So that set, the 707 is 8 millimeters up to 14. And then they also have an additional set for metric that takes them from 15 up to 19. So you can get them all the way straight through. They're not missing any between the two sets. And then there's the standard set as well. So I have the standard set here as well. And this here's the part number on it. It's a OXKR707. And it goes 3/8 to 3/4 in that set. I did not see an expansion pack for any of them to go any larger than 3/4. So this is it for the standards, but the metrics will go 8 millimeter all the way to 19. Next one up is the EECT74, the Blue Point Amp Hound. So this is for checking for parasitic draws, for large draws, right off the fuse blocks. Check it right on the fuse. So let me grab one that's open and I'll show you how it works. So in the package, you're gonna get the Amp Hound itself, and I'll show you how this works. You get a nice carry case. Velcro slides right in there. And then it's labeled. That's kind of nice, so you know what it is. You get enough of these cases. Sometimes it's hard to tell what you have in there. And then you get a nice set of leads, nice rubberized, and they feel real good. So the way this works, plug these. It's kind of hard to screw it up. Red into red, black into black. It's got an on button. When you turn it on, it's going to beep. You get 3 beeps. It says it's ready to go. Now what you need to do is pick what type of fuse you have, whether it's the mini, the normal size one, or the maxi, and you do that right here, and it's just a click, and you can see the line on the side goes up. So one of my customers, when I first showed him, he's like, well, I use my multimeter to check that way. And you can for the mini ones, but when you get over that 10 amp, the fuses get pretty expensive. This actually will go up to 50 amps. So once you choose which size fuse you're going to do, the next button up, you choose what the numeric value on the fuse is. So up to 50 amps, and then you test the fuse right on the top of each fuse without pulling it out. The Amp Hound, do what your multimeter does, but up to 50 amps. And nice, lightweight, easy to use. Auto shuts off after about 3 minutes. When you're all done, wrap up the cords, put it in the case, move on to the next project, right? It's all about making money. Time is money, safety, all that stuff. Once again, I thank you guys for watching my channel. I appreciate all the subscriptions. If we can get 1,000 likes on this video, I will give away a white Snap-on 3-in-1 mug and a gray Snap-on 3-in-1 mug, in addition to the can koozies, to anybody that comments down below their favorite movie. Congratulations to Kelly. Appreciate it, Jay Young. And on that note, I'm out of here. You guys have a good night.